To the coronavirus, and a question doctors say they get all the time. If you've had COVID, do you still need to get vaccinated? Several new studies are offering the clearest answer yet. ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl is going in depth with a San Diego scientist who's considered a national expert on the topic.
Inside these freezers, scientists at the La Jolla Institute for Immunology keep samples from people who have been infected with COVID before. And their research on so-called natural immunity has made one thing very clear.
People who have already had COVID-19 should still get vaccinated. And really the number one reason to do that is because of uncertainty about how well natural immunity protects against variants.
Dr. Shane Crotty says just look at the situation in Brazil. A lot of people who had been infected early in the pandemic got reinfected when the P1 or Gamma variant emerged. Natural protection there dropped from about 90% to about 60%.
That's a big drop.
Early research on the Delta variant, first found in India, suggests it's just as elusive to natural immunity, if not more. But the Pfizer vaccine still works great against it, 88% effective.
We know natural immunity is not as protective as vaccine immunity for at least some of these variants.
That's actually a surprise. With most viruses, natural immunity tends to be stronger than vaccination. But a study out this month helps explain why it's the other way around with COVID. A team in Seattle found the vaccines produce more targeted antibodies to the sliver of the virus that actually grabs onto cells. That means if a mutated virus shows up, vaccinated people have more backup defenses than people with natural immunity.
If there weren't any variants, people with natural immunity would be okay for years. Since there are variants, people with natural immunity do need to go ahead and get at least one immunization.
Two new studies released Friday show just how powerful it is when someone with a previous infection gets vaccinated, so-called hybrid immunity. They found hybrid immunity generated 100 times more antibodies to the beta variant than infection alone, and 25 times more antibodies than vaccination alone.
And those people are probably protected for as long as we can see into the future, because those people make basically superhuman immune responses.
Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.
Some